Hi, I'm Dr. Sadaf Sheikh here. Today, let us understand something about body, mind, and soul. To understand this in a better way, for the time being, just think that we are made up of three parts, that is, our body, mind, and soul. Most of us are trapped in the body itself, which is the first level. In order to increase our level, we need to work on our mind. Working on our mind means creating awareness about our thoughts. Once we start working on our mind, we start reaching our soul level. So, this is the hierarchy we can understand. At the bottom, we have our body, then we have our mind, and then finally the soul. When we talk about ourselves as to who am I am combination of these three components. So when I understand myself as a body, I understand myself as a mind and a soul, then it's me complete. But the problem is, I'm totally trapped in my body only. And I have forgotten my mind and I have forgotten my soul. In order to overcome this, I need to start working on my mind. And after constantly working on it, later on I realized that I am touching my soul in many instances. Many times in a day, I get flashes when I actually touch my soul. But this comes after a practice of so many years. When we talk about spiritual awakening or enlightenment or the connection with the higher self, it means we are connected to our soul. But for this connection to develop, our mind is the gateway. We cannot reach our soul directly because in between the mind comes. Mind is just like a bridge which connects our body to the soul. To work on our mind, it means first of all we need to remove the old clutter from it. This can be done through meditation or forgiveness practice or even by writing down our emotions. Secondly, after removing the clutter, we have to fill it up with positive things. It could be positive affirmations such as repeating to yourself that I am the most luckiest person on this earth. People love and respect me. I have more than I need. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. These type of affirmations so that the default thought which goes on coming into your mind will be connected to these affirmations. Another way is to read good books, self development books daily. It could be for 20 minutes in a day. But repeated practice of all these things will remove the clutter, and slowly, after working on the mind, we will get connected to our soul. The main advantage of doing this is that slowly, we will get guidance from the higher self, the divine guidance which will ease our life to such an extent that everything becomes effortless.